Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set Microsoft Word as your default word processing application on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in default, best match will come back with default apps. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side where it says search apps, go ahead and type in Word. Go ahead and select the little arrow next to Word. Just go ahead and left click on that. And you want to make sure they're all set to Word in here. And if not, you would just click inside of any of these file extension types. And you would select Word from the list here. So if there are multiple word processors, go ahead and just select Word. And then you would select OK. And that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.